Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the different concepts in issue of debenture, another chapter in accountancy. It's a very important chapter. Don't forget to watch the full video to learn how to write the entries related to issue of debenture. Especially we can expect 8-mark question from this area also, issue of debenture, and some major part of this chapter is deleted, so it will be very easy to learn and to score maximum mark in the board exam. Don't forget to watch the video up to the end. Don't forget to share with your friends. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching all the videos from my channel. So welcome all of you to learn today's video, issue of debenture. You know very well when you learned the chapter sources of business finance in the class 11, there you have learned on topic issue of debenture as borrowed fund. Like the same, which is here we are going to learn how to record the entries related to. We are doing the practical recording of transactions and steps related to issue of debenture. The word debenture has been derived from a Latin word debere, which means to borrow. Debenture, it is an instrument, it is a written instrument which acknowledges a debt owed by someone and under the common seal of the company. It is issued by the company. Like the same, companies are issuing bonds. Companies are getting bonds are getting fixed income. So it is a fixed income instrument which is issued like the same of debenture to the public to raise the funds. So normally the companies, municipalities, different states, they are issuing the bond. And you know very well, during this pandemic situation of COVID-19, they issued bond. Different states in India issued a bond to raise funds by the issue of bond to various companies and government organizations. So remember that concept, bond. What is the difference between share and debenture? Already we have learned in detail what is share, and in this video we are going to learn the different steps involved in the issue of shares, issue of debentures. So first difference shows share is ownership capital. Why it is ownership capital? Because the person who takes the share of a company is known as shareholder, but the person who takes the debenture of a company is known as creditor. So it is a borrowed capital. Creditor is the person who provides fund to the company. So it is a borrowed capital. It is collected from outsiders. And the return for share is what? Dividend. It's part of profit. But the return for debenture is interest. Shares are repaid only at the end of the company, after the lifetime of the company. But debentures are refunded or repaid, redeemed after the particular period, maturity period. And shareholders have the voting right, especially equity shareholders have the voting right, but no such right is available for the debentures. Nothing is secured for share, but debenture is secured with the assets of the company, fixed assets of the company. Shares are not converted into debentures, but debentures we can convert it into shares. So these are the major difference between share and debenture. Please keep in mind. And the type of debenture or bond include secured debenture, mortgage debenture, redeemable or irredeemable debenture, convertible debenture or non-convertible debenture, a registered debenture or unregistered debenture. So we are going to learn about what are the different procedures involved in the issue of debenture, what are the entries we have tried for the issue of debenture, from the application up to the call, what are the entries we have tried, that we are going to learn. The different steps involved in the issue of debenture includes the entries related to application. So when we receive the application money, bank account debtor to debenture application. You know very well, only a variation in the previous chapter we written bank account debtor to share application, but here it is debenture application. And second entry, when we transfer the amount to debenture application, amount is transferred to debentures, the entry will be debenture application account debtor to debenture capital or debentures, and debenture application account debtor to bank, the entry for rejecting the excess application. Rejecting the excess application entry will be debenture application account debtor to bank. And at the time of allotment, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture, that is the entry, and due entry. And when we receive the amount, bank account debtor to debenture allotment. When we reject and we adjust the excess application in allotment. When we adjust the excess application in allotment entry, you know very well, debenture application account debtor to debenture allotment, pro rata allotment. And the due entry for first call is debenture first call account debtor to debenture capital. When we receive the amount, bank account debtor to debenture first call or debenture second call, like that. Just look at this question. ABC Limited, they issued a 10,000 12% debenture of rupees 100. Just remember that 12% debenture means it is the return for interest for percentage of interest for debenture holder. And they received the whole money, rupees 100, in 2 installments, 30 on application and the remaining amount on allotment. The public applied for only 9,000 debentures. That is a case of under subscription. They invited for 10,000, but the public applied for only 9,000 debentures. So the entries will be bank account debtor to debenture application, 12% debenture application, 2,70,000. And when we transfer that amount to capital, means 12% debenture application account debtor to debentures account, amount 2,70,000. How we are getting 9,000 into 30. Then the allotment entry due, 12% debenture allotment account debtor to 12% debentures, 9,000 into 70, 6,30,000. When we receive the amount, bank account debtor to debenture allotment, 6,30,000, 9,000 into 70. So remember, this is the basic problem, and you know very well, there is no possibility for issuing share at discount, but the company can issue debenture at discount. Under the provisions of the Companies Act, they are not allowed to issue shares at discount, but the company can issue debenture at discount. So the entry will be 12% debenture allotment account debtor. A new item is appearing in the journal entry. Discount on issue of debenture account debtor. Discount on issue of debenture account debtor to 12% debentures. To 12% debentures. So that is the entry. The excess loss amount will be transferred to discount on issue of debenture. Just look at this problem, it will be very clear for you. TV Companies Limited issued 10,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5%. It is payable on application, it is 40, on allotment 55. That means actually we have to get rupees 60 on allotment. After deducting the discount to 5, we will get 50 from 60. We are deducting the 5 discount. We will get rupees 55 in the company's account. So the entries will be bank account debtor to 12% debenture application for lakh, 12% debenture application account debtor to 12% debentures for lakh, due entry for debenture allotment, 12% debenture allotment account debtor 5,50,000, discount on issue of debenture account 50,000, to 12% debentures 6 lakh. So in this way we are adjusting the discount amount, and when we receive, we will get only after deducting the discount Bank account attached to 12% debenture allotment 5,50,000. That is the entry. And you have to remember, whenever there is an amount of discount, it is a loss for the organization. It must be written off from the accounts. It will be written off from securities premium reserve, or from the amount of statement of profit and loss of the current year. So journal entry will be securities premium reserve or statement of profit and loss account attached to discount on issue of debenture amount 50,000. Why we are writing this entry? To write off from the books of accounts the amount of loss. That will be adjusted either from securities premium reserve or statement of profit and loss. And if the debentures are issued at a premium, what will be the journal entry? Next form of issue of debenture is at premium. You know very well, it is there in the issue of share also. When the shares are issued more than the face value at face value or nominal value, that is premium of issue of shares. Like the same here also, when the debentures are issued more than the nominal value, that is known as issue of shares at premium. Here also, excess amount collected through the premium will be transferred to the account known as securities premium account. So the journal entry will be issue 10% or 12% debenture account attached to debenture allotment account attached to debentures to securities premium account. So that is the entry for the recording of premium. XYZ Limited, Industry Limited issued 2000 10% debenture of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10. Collected on application 50, on allotment 60. That means the excess premium amount is collected through allotment. So the entries will be bank account at 1 lakh, bank account at 2 debenture application 1 lakh, and debenture 10% debenture application account at 2 10% debentures 1 lakh, 2000 into 50. And the premium amount 10% debenture allotment account at to 10% debentures to securities premium reserve. Actually, we have to get 1,20,000. After that, 1 lakh will be transferred to debentures and 20,000 will be transferred to securities premium. And when we receive the amount, we will get bank account at 2 debenture allotment 1,20,000, the full amount. So this is the way to record the entries related to issue of debenture at premium. Please look at this problem also. A limited issued 5,000 10% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10. And on application it is collected rupees 25. On allotment it is collected rupees 45, including premium. On first and final call we collected 40. So the debentures were fully subscribed and all money were received. What are the entries? First entry will be bank account attached to debenture application 1,25,000. Debenture application account attached to debentures 1,25,000. Then the premium amount, debenture allotment to debentures to securities premium 2,25,000, 1,75,000, 50. So the entry will be 10% debenture allotment account attached to 10% debentures. The excess amount will be transferred to securities premium reserve. Then when we receive the amount, we will receive the full amount with the premium. Bank account attached to debenture allotment 2,25,000. And the last entry, due entry for final call, first and final call due. So debenture 10% debenture first and final call account attached to 10% debentures 2 lakh. And when we receive the amount, bank account attached to 10% debenture first and final call 2 lakh is the amount. So this is the way we have to write the entry related to issue of debenture at premium. You know very well, when we learned the issue of share also, there we have learned the case of oversubscription. You know very well, when the number of debentures applied for is more than the number of debentures offered to the public, the issue is said to be oversubscribed. A company, however, cannot allot more debenture than it has invited for subscription. The excess money received on oversubscription may, however, be retained for adjustment towards allotment and respective calls to be made. But the money received from applicants to whom non-debenture have been allotted will be refunded. So there will be the possibilities like excess application money refunded and also excess application money adjusted towards allotment. You know very well that the thing we are going to learn over subscription of debenture. X Limited issued a 10,000 12% debenture of rupees 100 each, payable rupees 40 on application and 60 on allotment. The public applied for 14,000 debentures. Applicants for 9,000 debentures, they are accepted in full. Applicants for 2,000, they were allotted 1,000 debentures and remaining applicants were rejected. So remember, out of 14, they received 14, they given 9,000 applicants, they given 9,000 debentures. For 2,000 debentures, they given 1,000 and excess, that is rejected and refund. So first entry will be amount received in bank for application, bank account to debenture application 5,60,000 for the 14,000 debentures, and the compound entry for pro rata and rejection. Debenture application account at 5,60,000. Out of that, what is transferred to debentures? 4 lakh. To debenture allotment, excess application adjusted 40,000, and to bank amount rejected and refund 1,20,000. This is the combined entry. You can write it as a split single entries also. And when we the amount of allotment money due, 12% debenture allotment account to debentures 6 lakh. Bank account to debenture allotment 5,60,000. Why 5,60,000? Because already there is an amount adjusted from excess application, that is what, 40,000. So 6 lakh minus already received 40,000. We have to get only what? In bank we have to get only 5,60,000. Again, please learn this problem to know more about the oversubscription. A Limited issued 2,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each, and they received 20 on application, 20 on allotment, and 30 on first call, and 30 on final call. They issued 2,000, but the public applied for 2,400 debentures. Public applied for application collected received is 2,400 debentures. Applicants for 1,800 debentures were accepted in full. Out of that, they accepted for 1,800 debentures in full, and applicants for 400 debentures, they were allotted 200 debentures, and applicants for 200 debentures, they rejected. We have to write the journal entries. So the first entry will be bank account debtor to 9% debenture application, 2,400 into 20, 48,000. And the second entry, a combined entry, 9% debenture allotment account debtor, 48,000, to 9% debentures, to debenture allotment excess application adjusted in allotment, to bank it is rejection. So from 48,000, 2,000 into 20, 40,000 will be transferred to debentures. Extra adjusted in allotment is 200 shares into 20, 4,000, and rejected 4,000. So this is the entry we have to write. And the allotment money due, 9% debenture allotment account to debentures, 40,000, 20,000 into 2,000 into 20. And when we receive the amount, bank account to 9% debenture allotment, 36,000. And the first call entry due, debenture first call account debtor to debentures 60,000, and when we receive the amount, bank account debtor to debenture first call. When we receive the amount, bank account debtor to debenture first call 60,000, and the due entry for debenture final call account debtor to debentures 60,000, and the last entry when we receive the final call amount, bank account debtor to debenture final call 60,000. So this is the way to record the entry related to our suspicion. And in the next class, we will learn about issue of debenture consideration other than cash. It's very important. From that, we can expect 6-mark questions in the board exam. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch that video also. Thank you for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.